Want a quick and easy way to access your quotes? Well, now you can from the Quotes and Orders list page, where you can directly view all quotes that you have access to, and then drill down into the quote for details. You can view your open quotes and active orders. You can also view all the open quotes, and if you want, you can create your own personal list, such as quotes for which an order has been submitted or quotes with amounts greater than $1 million. Simply enter a quote name or a partial name to quickly search for a specific quote. Want more details about your quote? Easy. Just scroll across to view the associated opportunity and account, as well as the amount of the quote. Let's take a look at the quote details for one of the quotes and orders. The good news is that your customer wants to buy more servers, so you update the quantity amount. Note that the sales order amount is automatically updated. Click Update Opportunity to sync your changes back to your sales application. And when done, return to your sales application. Notice that the amount is now updated and the order is also updated. Great, now you're ready to move on to other tasks. Thank you.